Apple continues its legacy of innovation with the launch of the Apple Watch Ultra 2, a culmination of cutting-edge technology and sleek design. Announced on September 12, 2023, and released on September 22nd, this remarkable timepiece pushes the boundaries of what a smartwatch can achieve. Design and build. The design and build of the Apple Watch Ultra 2 represent a seamless fusion of elegance and durability. With dimensions measuring 49 x 44 x 14.4 mm and a weight of 61.4 g, the watch strikes a harmonious balance between a sleek profile and a substantial presence on the wrist. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the watch features a front panel made of sapphire crystal, renowned for its scratch-resistant properties. The back, available in ceramic or sapphire crystal, adds a touch of sophistication to the device. The frame, constructed from titanium, not only ensures sturdiness, but also contributes to the overall aesthetic appeal. The watch's design extends beyond mere aesthetics, as it holds several certifications that speak to its robust build. The IP6X certification renders the device dust-tight, emphasizing its resilience in various environments. Water resistance is a standout feature, with a WR100 certification allowing the watch to withstand water depths of up to 100 meters. The EN13319 certification further ensures its suitability for water activities, making it swim-proof and diving-ready up to 40 meters. Complementing these certifications, the MILS TD810H certification attests to the watch's durability in challenging conditions, making it a reliable companion for users with active lifestyles. Display excellence. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 sets a new standard for display excellence, delivering a visual experience that is both captivating and functional. Boasting a 1.92-inch Retina LTPO OLED display, this smartwatch offers a stunning canvas for users to interact with their device. The peak brightness of 3000 nits ensures exceptional visibility, even in challenging lighting conditions, while the resolution of 502 x 410 pixels results in sharp and vibrant visuals. With a pixel density of approximately 338 ppi, the display achieves a level of detail that enhances the overall user experience. Protected by sapphire crystal glass, the display not only provides a durable surface, but also adds a touch of sophistication to the watch's aesthetic. The always-on display feature further elevates convenience, allowing users to glance at essential information without needing to raise their wrists or interact with the device. The attention to detail in the display of the Apple Watch Ultra 2 extends beyond specifications. Whether showcasing notifications, fitness metrics, or watch faces, the Retina LTPO OLED display ensures clarity and brilliance. This display excellence is not only about the technical specifications, but also about how it seamlessly integrates into the overall design, creating a visually pleasing and immersive user interface. Performance and operating system. The performance and operating system of the Apple Watch Ultra 2 converge to create a seamless and efficient user experience. Running on watchOS 10, with the option to upgrade to watchOS March 1, 10, the smartwatch leverages Apple's expertise in software to deliver a feature-rich and user-friendly interface. At the core of its performance is the Apple S9 chipset, which powers the device. The dual-core CPU ensures responsive navigation and swift execution of tasks, providing a smooth and fluid user experience. The Power VR GPU contributes to the graphics performance, enhancing the visuals on the device's display. The operating system, watchOS 10, is designed to optimize the capabilities of the hardware, offering a range of functionalities tailored to meet the needs of users. With regular updates and improvements, Apple ensures that the operating system remains current and introduces new features to enhance the overall user experience. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 benefits from the synergy between its hardware and the Watch OS, resulting in a device that not only performs efficiently, but also provides a user interface that is intuitive and easy to navigate. Users can seamlessly access features such as fitness tracking, notifications, health monitoring, and a variety of apps, all orchestrated by the Watch OS. Storage and connectivity. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 excels in both storage capacity and connectivity, ensuring users have ample space for data and seamless interactions with other devices. In terms of storage, the device does not feature external card slots, but its internal 64 GB storage capacity provides users with a generous amount of space. This allows for the storage of apps, music, photos, and other data directly on the smartwatch, ensuring users can carry their essentials without reliance on constant synchronization with external devices. Connectivity options on the Apple Watch Ultra 2 are designed to enhance the overall user experience. The device supports Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n on a dual band, ensuring a stable and fast internet connection. Bluetooth 5.3 with A2DP and LE support facilitates efficient wireless communication, enabling seamless pairing with compatible devices such as iPhones and Bluetooth-enabled headphones. The inclusion of GPS, L1 plus L5, GLONASS, Galileo, and BDS enhances location accuracy, making the watch an ideal companion for outdoor activities and navigation. Advanced Sensor Suite. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is equipped with a comprehensive sensor suite, including an accelerometer, gyro, heart rate monitor, barometer, always-on altimeter spanning from -500 m to 9,000 m, compass, SPO2 sensor, VO2 max sensor, and body and water temperature sensors. Notably, the temperature sensing feature boasts 0.01p accuracy, providing users with precise data. The inclusion of a depth gauge with +1 accuracy and ultra-wideband 2 (UWB) support further enhances its capabilities. Battery and charging. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is equipped with a robust battery and efficient charging capabilities, ensuring users can enjoy extended usage without long downtimes. The device is powered by a Li-ion 564 mAh non-removable battery, providing ample capacity to support the various functionalities of the smartwatch. This sizable battery contributes to a longer battery life, allowing users to wear the Apple Watch Ultra 2 throughout the day without the constant need for recharging. Charging the device is a convenient and quick process. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 supports wireless charging, providing users with the flexibility to charge their device without the hassle of cables. The advertised charging time of 0-80% in 60 minutes underscores the efficiency of the charging mechanism, allowing users to top up their device quickly, especially during short breaks or moments when a fast charge is essential. This combination of a substantial battery and efficient wireless charging aligns with Apple's commitment to delivering a user-friendly experience. Users can rely on the Apple Watch Ultra 2 to keep up with their active lifestyles without being tethered to charging stations for extended periods, making it a practical and reliable companion for daily use. The Apple Watch Ultra 2's battery and charging capabilities are designed to offer users a seamless and convenient experience, ensuring that the smartwatch remains ready for use throughout the day with minimal interruption. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 stands as a testament to Apple's commitment to excellence in design, technology, and functionality. With a robust build, an advanced sensor suite, and a visually stunning display, it redefines the smartwatch experience for users who demand nothing but the best in innovation and craftsmanship. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. Thanks for watching.